Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. This time is going to be for sure the last Christmas video of this year. And if you haven't had enough from Christmas, just tag along. This is the Christmas decoration that I made in my last video where I cut out paper stars and put them in resin. I'll leave a link in the corner for you to watch this video if you're interested. And I have some coasters. They are not really pretty. So I was thinking to pimp them up with a little bit of paper decoration as well. These are the coasters that didn't really work out for me. I was trying to make a bloom, but the resin didn't react in the way that I wanted it to. So I put those shapes onto a piece of printer paper and cut it out. That guarantees me that the stars that I will cut out of those papers are not bigger than the coasters itself. I folded the hexagon in that way that the peaks were on top of each other. Then I took the peak where I folded the paper to the other peak and folded it like so. And I did the same thing to the other side. And then I folded the whole thing into half again. And this is what it's supposed to look like now. And as you can see, it fits on the coaster perfectly. I cut a small strip of paper off of the whole thing because I didn't want it to be as big as the coaster itself. And now I cut out my design as I desire. So, and now for the big reveal again. I think this is the best moment of all when you unfold your paper star and you see what it looks like. As you can see, it fits perfectly. And if there's something that you don't like, you can fold it back up and change what you need to change to get it to your liking. And because I have 3 of those coasters, I did the whole thing 2 times more, and this is what it looks like now. So I took some Mod Podge and I put it in a thick layer on top of my coaster, and then I put the paper on, and I will drown that paper in Mod Podge too. And I probably didn't put enough on top of it to seal the paper in full, and what happens then I will show you later. So if you do that kind of thing, use a little bit more Mod Podge, 1 or 2 layers more, better than not enough. I let the Mod Podge dry thoroughly, and then I put some clear resin on top of those coasters and put it really to the rim so it covers the whole thing. And then I have to let it cure, and what that looked like I will show you at the end. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment. It's always nice to hear what you think about my projects. So I wish you a Merry Christmas, and I hope I will be seeing you after Christmas again. And until then, bye-bye. So everything is cured now, and as you can see, I have a little bit of raised edges there, and I should have put more resin on top. And here you can see that I didn't seal the paper right, and this is what happens if you put the resin on top of not really sealed paper. It gets those spots. But nevertheless, next time I will seal those paper pieces much better, and then it will work.